Hello, Mzansi, Joseph Gold. This is part 2 of the story of Nkanyezi and Mahlalendabeni, who are still calling out Moja Love and the producer Aubrey Tau. Mzansi, things have now escalated. They went to union buildings to shoot. So here is what they say. They claim that Uyajola 99 is scripted and that they pay people 1,500 Rand to act in those episodes. Nkanyezi is saying that the cast, they're being underpaid. Yet Moja Love donated 250,000 Rand to support Bali Singh and Siamo. You remember those girls from Mamelodi? Them. But yet they're being underpaid. So they're now planning to go on a podcast and tell the side of the story. So the drama is just getting hotter. I'll just keep you updated as it unfolds. At the end of the video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell. Bye-bye.
Okay. Fellow South Africans, as nibonile ivideo yami ngisho ngithi angihambi ngiyi-1 and isikhala sonke kanye nento eyi-1 as bese nginiphile amaphuzu ukuthi iMoja Love ayisikhathi.
South Africans, iMoja Love ithi ihambe isiza abantu of which yonke lento abayenzayo laphana on screen ayikho. They just go and bribe people. Even namanje bachitha imizi yabantu ngale show yaJola 99 of which last week bebase PE of which PE abantu ababashutile bonke bababhadala ama 1.5. Ngikuthathaphi lo kuseza kusasekuncane engisakuletha ama highlights nase Kempton Park they know ukuthi kwenzakaleni and I still have in proof ya yonke le nto leyo. So manje okunye okulandelayo la bangisendele ama letter of which ama letter bengithreatenishwa bathumele uOprita uthumele ipuppet yakhe of which puppet yakhe uBrandon, right? Wangisendela iletter of which akasena access yokungifonela uOprita, akasena access yokungifonela uArch, second puppet kaOprita uArch. Ngiyantshela. So manje njengoba size la asisithi sodwa abakhalayo ngeMoja Love sibaningi. I've spent 6 years ngisebenza eMoja Love but okuningi ngizokuza ku podcast, ngizokuza emaphepheni. Kwamanje kusasama highlight. Yabona.
Enough is enough South Africa. Moja Love like yasiyuza kakhulu. Isizile njengoba bashilo ukuthi sibaningi esikhalayo. So sifuna ukuthi kuphele yonke imvelo lebasendayo. Sibete kakhulu siluze nempilo zethu. And then thine bakhona kuhamba babribe abantu, bakhona ukudonate abantu njengale le bayikhiphe 250,000 bantwana labashonile. Mara bona bahluleka kubhadala thine ku7,000 lesibasita ukuthi bona bakhona ukuphumelela, baphumelela ngathi. So lokuningi sokukhuluma ku podcast.
So mina engikubuzayo iMoja Love ine show bathi sikhipha ama file but ama file wabo asendlini awakaveli. So yithi ke sizonivezela wona ke Mzansi. Game on. Moja Love asihlanganeni siboneni ke manje.
Besides ama-file wabo, ama-file wabo aboliwe guys. Durban, where are you? Cape Town, where are you?
Kunabantu eDurban abalahlekelwe imisebenzi ngendaba yeMoja Love. Basebenzisa izinto zasemsebenzini ukuthi bashute kuma content. Namhlanje bahlela abasebenzi. Kubuya kancane.
Bahlukene nama-company wabo anzima ebeka bakhulisela abantwana ezindlini zabo because of fake content.
Yeah.
Sugar Mommy, there was a lady obeka driver itruck. That lady bamskemile. She was scammed because of iMoja Love. Namhlanje icompany imthrow out ushanyela iskontiri uqosha amaphepha izingane zilambile izingane azidli, then they don't care abasena ndaba bona because of bakutholile bakufunayo kuye babenefitile the way babenefite ngakhona inside the office now as we speak.
Asivali sizoqhubeka kuseza siyabuya sisazodlula South Africa nisazoza kusasekuncane lokho sisaphambili sizosuka manje sizoya ku-embassy yase South Africa sikwazi ukuhlangana namanye ama-embassy ngendaba eyenzeka bayazi ukuthi kwenzeka ilethe yakho